Hello guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design a simple certificate now using Microsoft Word. Now we are going to start with the border, how to insert the border. So we'll come here to page layout, and in this page layout we shall go to page borders, and then I'll go down here where they have written art. So here there are several borders that you can choose from, but the ones that I want are down here. So I'll have to scroll up down there so that I can pick the one that I know is best for the certificate. So one thing for sure is that once you have chosen the border, like here, you can as well come here to put the color that you want, you see. And then once you are done, you can come here to width. You can increase the border width the way you want, and then you click OK. So now the border has already been created. The remaining part is now to insert the wordings. Now, designing a certificate using Microsoft Word, I'm going to use several tools here, and I want you to pay attention. Otherwise, you are going to be left out without knowing where to go. But there are those who prefer just to type. Like once I have done preparing this border, someone can easily come here to type like this, and then you create your own certificate. But for me, I'm going to use more advanced tools in order to create a certificate. All I have to do, I'm going to use insert, and then I'm going to choose this tool which is called Word Art. And then here I'm going to choose any, and here they have said I type there something like, I'm going to type the certificate heading, or the college something, and then once I'm done with that, it means that I'm going to position it at the center, and I'll be able to highlight that text. Then I go to text field, I choose the color, so I want it to be in that color there, and I don't want to be so much with effect, so I'll go to reflection or shadow. I remove that shadow there like that. So once I'm done with that one, it means that I'm going to insert some writings here. I can still type the normal type like this. Then I highlight, I use this one here at the center, I increase a little bit, I say 14 or 16, something like that, and I can choose another font other than that. There's another font which is called Montype Cursiva. I choose that font. I see the size is a little bit smaller, so I'm going to increase a little bit like that. And down here I'm going to use insert. I draw the line. I draw the line like this for writing the name like that. So I can go back to insert. I use this Word Art to write the name. Like I can just write as an example, Philip M, and then I put that name there. I want to reduce the size of that name by coming here, and then I put it like 26, like that. So I go back to format, I go to fill. This one I can put it in this color, but I'm going to remove the outline. Then I'm going to remove the shadow. I remain with that one like that, and I'm going to increase this line a little bit by going to shape outline, and then I increase this one so that it can be visible. So once that one is achieved, I'll double click here, and then I say that this is to certify that Philip M. having been, I can say, having satisfactory completed the course in computer application has been awarded this certificate, and then I put it in the middle like that. So when was the certificate awarded? You can put the date like that, and then you can put the person who have awarded, like the principal. The principal like that, like there, and then you drop it, you put it in the middle like this. So I'll have no choice than to increase the font like that. This one I can bring it closer like that, and then I go to insert, go to shapes, pick this one, put the line there, increase the line weight. I can still duplicate that one by clicking Ctrl D on it, and then here, after printing this certificate, it means that you can write the dates by your hands, and then you put the signature here, and then here I'm going to go to insert, and I insert this, the what they call it, banner or what, something. I put the star of that one there. I can decide to put the color of the star in this manner, then I remove the handwriting this. So by doing this, it means that I have already designed the certificate. So I can come here to the page to put it landscape like this, in this format. So I forgot to put it in the first place, but I can still rearrange the work so that for it to be in the middle properly, like that. And then this one can still go. And this one I arrange it in this manner, like this. Yeah, the certificate is already arranged in that manner. So it's just a simple certificate that you can create using Microsoft Word. There are other complicated certificates. I will show you how you can create them. This one I have to use it, I have to put it there like that. So for now, it's just a beginner certificate that you can do using Microsoft Word.